Cleaning your shower head. Shower heads often clog up with limescale, and it is important they are regularly cleaned. To do this, remove the shower head from its holder and unscrew the head from the hose. Be careful to do this over the bath or shower cubicle. Make sure to keep the rubber sealing washer, as this will need to be refitted after the cleaning. Put the shower head in the sink or a plastic container of hot water and add an appropriate cleaning fluid. Check the bottle first. Soak for at least 30 minutes, preferably an hour. Take the shower head out of the water and clean the head with a scouring pad or cloth. Then rinse it with water and polish with a soft cloth. Refit the rubber washer to the hose before attaching the shower head to the hose. Finally, turn on the shower for a few minutes to flush out any remaining limescale.